Get a head start on making your home merry and bright, from twinkling lights to gorgeous wreaths. Follow along as we show you some quick steps on bringing the holidays home. Here's how. Safety first. Ladders can shift, so have another person spot you while you're adding lights to the roof. If you're going for an elegant look, choose a consistent color for all your lights. If you're using white lights, ensure they're all the same white warmth. For the front of your home, columns make a great focal point. Dress them up with lights. Make your front yard shimmer by adding brilliant net lights to your shrubs. They're easy to install and remove. And speaking of easy, self-adhesive hooks are a great way to attach festive decor without making any holes. For a pop of holiday cheer, place the garland around your door in the entryway. You can even customize by adding faux berries or pine cones. Next, get your garage in a festive mood by adding holiday decorations there too. Bright and gorgeous, wreaths are always a welcome holiday classic. For a polished look, you can also add wreaths to your windows. Make your entryway a little more magical with mini evergreen trees inside stylish planters. And don't forget the holiday-themed accents. Lanterns are another bright way to add joy to your front porch. And now for the fun part. You can turn your lights on and off with the ease of one wireless remote. Bring home the magic with a merry mix of lights and decor that make everyone's holiday happy. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. For more information, visit homehardware.ca.